In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. Maybe you created a page and for some time you no longer want to use that same name that you use and create the page, and you want to change it to another name. So watch this video to the end so that you will learn how you can change your Facebook page name. It's very easy and simple. So before that, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Ekowe the Creator. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will receive notification whenever I upload a new video. Alright guys, so let me take you to my phone screen. Let me show you. So the first thing that you are going to do is open your Facebook app. This is my Facebook app. Let me open it. When you open your Facebook app, you go to this icon that has your picture on it here. Click on it, then scroll down to the last part. Then you will see where it says settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy, then you go up, then you click on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to open. When it opens, then you scroll down to where it says page setup. This is page setup. You click on page setup. So guys, please mind you that I'm not doing this with the Facebook Lite. I'm doing it with the main Facebook app. So if you are going to change your name, it's recommended that you use your main Facebook app, not Lite. Alright, let me continue. So when you click on page setup, it will bring you to this place. So if it brings you to this place, the first thing that it will show you is name. This is it. The first option is name. Then you click on the first option. This is where you are going to input the name that you want to change. Understand? So this place, you are going to put the name that you want to put or change. So once you finish putting the name that you want, you click on save and it's going to save it. That is just the simple way of doing that. If you find this video very helpful, do well to like, comment and share the video so that other people can also watch and learn how to do it.